Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Pazham Pori and beef roast. This combination is famous in Kerala. I was first skeptical about this combination, but trust me friends, this tastes really delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. For the beef roast, heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and add in 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, some curry leaf and 1 finely chopped onion. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it until the onion turns translucent. Now add in 1 finely chopped tomato. Saute it nicely and cover it with the lid and cook well. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of fennel powder. Saute it until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. Add in 1/4 cup of water so that the masala powders doesn't burn. Now add in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Saute it and add in the cooked beef. Take 100 grams of beef in a pressure cooker. Add in half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as needed and half a cup of water. Pressure cook the beef for 10 to 12 whistles or until the beef is cooked well. Now let's get back to the beef roast. Saute the beef nicely and add in half a cup of beef stock. While pressure cooking the beef, we'll have few stalks left, so I'm adding it now. Now add in half a cup of water. If you have more beef stock left means you can add totally 1 cup of stock instead of water. Add in salt as required. Cover it with the lid and cook the beef roast. You can have this beef roast with appam, idiyappam, parota, ghee rice or any other breads. Switch off the flame once the gravy thickens. The beef roast will thicken more once it cools down. Delicious spicy beef roast is ready now. Next I'm going to prepare the Pazham Pori or banana fritters. Take 3 plantain and make sure it is not overripe. Plantain shouldn't be overripe or raw. Since we are going to have it beef roast, it should be of medium sweet. Slice the bananas thinly like this. The bananas are just ripe and not overripe. For the banana fritter batter, take 1 cup of maida in a mixing bowl. Add in 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I have added little sugar since we are going to serve it with beef roast. In goes half a teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Add in water as needed to form a batter. Totally I have added nearly 1 1/4 cup of water. Add in water little by little until you get right consistency. Add a little yellow food color. Give it a mix and this should be the consistency of the batter. Now I'm going to fry the banana fritters, so add in the banana into the batter and deep fry it. Heat some sunflower oil in a kadai and add in the batter dipped banana. You can have this Pazham Pori as a tea time snack. If you want to serve it with tea means add little more sugar in the batter. Make sure the banana fritters doesn't change color. Pazham Pori is fried perfectly and I'm removing it. Delicious Kerala special Pazham Pori and beef roast is ready to be served now. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. Little sweetness from the Pazham Pori and the spicy beef roast is the best combo. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.